I love Calacatta viola marble.
I can't have it.
Are you dying?
Hell no.
Because I am.
Hell on.
It was under $40.
$40?
Yeah, no. These were not cheap. So...
whatever that means.
Oh, so cute. So retro.
That's 80s. You might as well go out and buy a Trans Am.
Oh my gosh. Falling apart. Wow. Gotta have it. You can just stick them wherever you want.
That's what she said.
What's up everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. So, I've been very intentional about my shopping lately because if I'm honest, I have so much stuff that I look at and I'm like, why did I buy this? I'm like, I need to get rid of it. I need to sell it. Yeah, so for everything that I bring in, I get rid of something. Like, that's the rule because it's just ridiculous at this point. Okay, today is gonna be kind of a collective haul. It's not all from one place. I got some stuff from Amazon. I got H&M Home, Etsy, and Facebook Marketplace. So let's hop in. To know me is to know that I love Calacatta viola marble. I
can't have it.
It's my weakness. And I found a piece on Etsy, been waiting to open it on camera. So let's do that. All right. Nothing sounds broken, so that's good. Are you dying?
Hell no. Hell on.
Because I am, y'all. So cute and petite. I love how the veining is. It's not too busy because you have some blank spots, but then it's really bold in other places. Y'all know I have the tray in my bedroom on my nightstand. Never moves, holds my things, and it's just so aesthetically pleasing. And I also have the other one back here, but I didn't have a bowl, and I'm so glad I got it. I put this in my cart when I saw it. It was in there for like a day, and then you know how Etsy will tell you, hey, one available, but in like 5 people's carts. Yeah, I got one of those, so I cashed out immediately. All right, and I just, oh, so cute. The craftsmanship is good too, and it's seamless. There aren't any like lines where you can see it's glued together or anything like that. So I guess it's hand cut. Is that how you say it? Hand cut? Hand chiseled? What do they do to marble to get shapes? I don't know. But whatever it is, yeah, that's that. It's gonna fit everywhere. I don't even know where I want to put this. I'll find a place. So yeah, that's that. So next up is a piece I found on H&M Home. I used to shop on H&M Home so much more often than I do. Like, I feel like I haven't seen a lot on there that it's just like, wow, gotta have it. But this was the piece that was like, wow, gotta have it. I shared it over on Instagram to let you guys know to keep your eyes peeled because I had to stalk the site to get 2 of these, okay? It is a wall sconce. As you can see, it's like cut in half, so this sits flush to the wall. And it also comes with, oh my gosh, falling apart. It came with a lighting kit and a light bulb, which is something I really appreciate about H&M Home. They always give you what you need to just put it together and not have to go to the store, okay? So we love that. This is actually a plug-in sconce, so you don't have to hardwire it. If the cord bothers you, you can either do a rechargeable light bulb or you can fish the line through the wall, like the back of the wall, and then plug it into the bottom. You know how they do TVs when they mount them up? So yeah, that up. But I just, y'all, this was just so, y'all know I have the lamps in my bedroom that the shade is just like this. It's double tiered linen. It's this, but the lamp version. And I just had to get the sconce because It's just so good. It looks so retro.
That's 80s. You might as well go out and buy a Trans Am.
I'm thinking 70s, maybe 80s. But yeah, I just, like I said, I had to have them. I'm not sure where I want to put them. Like I said, I got two. And I really wanted them to be somewhere in the background here in my filming room, because this is the majority of my home that you guys see. But they're too wide to fit on either side of my picture or my painting back here. So I don't know. I kind of want to put it in my office space as well, because I think that'll be kind of fun to do like a tonal situation in there. That's going to be a whole nother video. Y'all stay tuned for that, because I really want to switch that up. I'm so tired of looking at it. But yeah, that's this. And these were not cheap. These were not cheap. They were originally, I don't even know, I want to say $70 or $80. But then H&M Home did like a site-wide price increase. I don't know if y'all thought we weren't gonna notice, but I definitely did. Okay, so everything was priced like $10 more than what it was before. So I actually got these on sale, and then I had a gift card. So yeah, I love these. They're just so cute, so cute, so cute. Next up is the Facebook Marketplace find. You guys know I have been in love with glass. I love the reflective aspect that it can bring to a vignette or a space. So I try to mingle it in wherever I can. And this is, okay, so here's the thing, right? Jeremiah Brent did a collab with Crate & Barrel, and all his pieces he calls cast glass. Now, when I first started getting into glass more, I was under the impression that it was seated glass. So actually, let's look that up, because it's gonna bother me. Difference between cast glass and seated glass. Cast glass is created by pouring molten glass into molds. This process allows for a remarkable degree of creativity in terms of shape, texture, and thickness. Seated glass is a type of clear glass with air bubbles trapped inside, creating a textured, bubbled appearance that adds depth and character. So,
Whatever that means.
okay, so it looks like, to sum it up, seated glass has bubbles and cast glass doesn't. Got it. The thing about this is it's textured on the bottom, so I don't know if it has bubbles or if that's just texture, you know? But either way, like I said, I found this on Facebook Marketplace. It was only, what did I offer? I offered $20 and they accepted it, and they shipped it to me for free. So love that for me. And yeah, it's an ashtray. I don't smoke and I don't allow smoking in the house. So I'm gonna be using this to just decorate coffee tables, bookcases, shelves, whatever, or as a book topper. I cannot tell you how many times I have seen pieces like this on coffee tables, in vignettes, and it just looks amazing everywhere. Like I said, it reflects light, and it's an easy way to bring a different element into your whole design situation, whatever that is. These get pretty expensive depending on the size and where you get it from. I've seen them upwards of like $500, but I've also seen them around the $80 range and below. So check Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, even Poshmark. I've seen a lot of pieces like this for affordable prices, and yeah, just an amazing way to bring in, like I said, something different, something pretty, without breaking the bank or overwhelming your space. We love that. And last but not least is an Amazon find, which I'm so excited about. You guys know I love Colin King. I think he is an amazing designer, photographer, all the things. And he has a set that looks just like this. I think it was a collab with Otto Copenhagen. Don't give me the line, I'll put it up on the screen. But it's very expensive. I'm sure it's great. I know it's great because he's great, but I can't do $300 a piece. Like, I feel like I think the large one was like $330 and then the small one was $315, something like that. So like $650 for the set, give or take. Yeah, no. I couldn't justify. I couldn't justify that, so I opted to get the Amazon dupe version, and for the set, it was under $40.
$40?
Yeah, amazing. These aren't as, I feel like his were more matte, but these are still great. This has a little bit of distressing on each of them. Of course, a little bit different. And I have some stems. I could not find them before this video, but I have some stems that are very like floppy and they flare out a lot. So they're gonna look great in these. I think I'll probably just do one because doing stems in both of them will be kind of a lot in my opinion. But yeah, I love these. On a fireplace, in a bathroom. I've seen these in so many spaces and they look good everywhere. Like legit anywhere you can just stick them wherever you want.
That's what she said.
And not have to think about it. So we love that. These are still available, so I will leave a link down below in the description box so you can get your hands on them. Great gift, by the way. Christmas is coming up. If you have somebody that loves home decor, this is great. You don't have to break the bank and they don't have to know that you didn't even spend $40 on them. Like, it's a gift that keeps on giving. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. Love this haul. Everything here I feel like I can keep for a very long time and not have to look at it next year and be like, get rid of it. Like, I don't want to see it no more. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.